Tired of scrolling through irrelevant fields in Salesforce? Remove them in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly how to access the page layout editor and remove any field with just a few clicks. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open Quick Settings. Then, from the menu, select Open Advanced Setup to access the full setup area. Now, click on Object Manager to see all your objects. Navigate to the Label column to find the object you need. Then, click on Asset to open its details. Next, click on Page Layouts to view the available layouts. Click the drop-down menu next to the layout you want to modify. Then, select Edit from the drop-down to open the Layout Editor. Finally, click the minus icon next to the field you want to remove, and that's it. You've successfully removed the field from the page layout. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.